I know, being a student can feel confusing. With so many study tips online, it's hard to know what really works. Everyone talks about the best method, but when there are too many, it just feels overwhelming. That's why I made this video. I'll share the 5 most powerful study methods, backed by research and used by real students who improved their grades. If you follow even a few of these, studying will feel easier, and your results will definitely get better. Let's begin. Method number 1, breaking down. This method is super helpful for big subjects like maths, biology, and geography. Instead of trying to study the whole chapter at once, divide it into small groups of related topics. For example, in maths, while studying algebra, don't learn everything together. You can group topics like formulas, equations, and practice questions. In biology, while studying the human body, group topics like the skeletal system, muscular system, and digestive system. This step-by-step approach makes learning easier and less stressful. It also saves time, reduces confusion, and helps you remember faster. After finishing each topic, take a short 10-minute break to let your brain rest, recharge, and store the information more effectively. Method number 2, blurting. If you need to learn definitions, formulas, or lists, the blurting method really helps. The process is simple. Read a topic once, then close your book and write down everything you remember without looking. This tests your recall. After that, compare with your notes, find what you missed, and study again. Keep repeating this until you can write most of the information correctly from memory. It's a straightforward and powerful technique, perfect for preparing for quizzes and exams. Method number 3, repeated memorization. Not stylish or new, but still one of the strongest ways to remember. First, read the content silently 10 times, then aloud 10 times, and finally, write it twice from memory. This technique works best when you must recall things in the exact wording or order, like chemistry reactions, math formulas, biology diagrams. It's a structured way of learning that strengthens your recall and locks knowledge into long-term memory. Method number 4, flashcards. You have probably come across this method before. It's popular because it works. Flashcards are great for memorizing facts, formulas, vocabulary, and even diagrams. You can easily make them with papers or use apps like Quizlet and Anki. The secret is constant testing. Don't just look over the cards and forget. Review them daily or weekly, depending on how close your exam is. Method number 5, Feynman Technique. This method is truly helpful for better understanding and stronger memory. After studying a topic, grab a pen and paper or a whiteboard, if available, and try to teach the topic to an imaginary student. Explain it step by step, like you are explaining the topic to someone who doesn't know anything about it. This way, you will notice the parts where your understanding is weak, and you can go back and review that part. It pushes you to actually understand the concept instead of only memorizing it. And you probably know that when you understand a concept clearly, it stays in your memory for a long time. And that's all. These were 5 study methods I suggest the most. You don't have to use every single one. The key is finding a mix that meets your learning style and following it regularly. Studying should give clarity, not struggle or stress. When you focus on studying smarter instead of harder, everything becomes less stressful. I hope this guide gives you clarity and confidence. Keep studying, keep growing, and keep enjoying the journey.